DJ Wags is watering my plants. I got some watermelons and all the odds and ends coming up in the cups right now. And over here I got some more stuff in these little trays. I think those are herbs. Anyway, check this out. Watch this. I hope it shows up. I'm watering the grass. The sun is in the perfect spot. It's right, this rainbow's right over my head. Can you see it? Hang on. There it is. See the rainbow over the chicken coop there? And you see it in 3D where I am. It's right over my eyeball. It's like it's in my pineal gland or something. Never had this happen in my life. With a hose, it made a perfect rainbow right over my head. This fucking world, and it has to be because that sun is in the exact right spot. See that? I don't know if you can even see it, but the angle had the time up perfect for this garbage to manifest the rainbow over my fucking head. I could literally lick it right now. That's how close it is. Can you see it? My cord is in the water. I can't get any closer without ruining my phone. And it goes right into my crop. From that crop, the rainbow ends in this crop. What a crazy world.